Have you ever noticed that the FlutterFlow gallery picker sucks? In this video, we're gonna make a custom in-app gallery picker just like the big apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, and Instagram. And the fun part is that it's super easy to do with this video. So let's begin. To begin our tutorial, I'm gonna paste my magic code into our custom code editor. So create a new custom widget and name it gallery list widget and paste this code. In this custom widget, we are using something called Photo Manager, which is amazing. You can do all kinds of stuff, filtering, ordering, and a lot more. If you need help with customizing it, either use AI or leave a comment over here. So this custom widget fetches a list of gallery items and it's paginated. You can scroll through and it loads more images as you scroll. So before we click save, we need to add 3 different packages. The first one is Shimmer, next is Photo Manager Image Provider, and the next one is Photo Manager. Then click save. Now we need to add a permission, which is only needed for the newer versions of Android. These take a long time to figure out, believe me. So head to permissions. Over here, make sure photo library is already enabled and add a new custom permission. It's gonna be read media images. Don't forget to save it. Now, in order to use this custom widget, we need to create a component. It could be also a page, but a component that shows up as a bottom sheet is a lot better. So click on create a new component. We'll name it custom gallery picker. In the component, I'm just gonna put a container and make it fill the entire thing and add a close icon button. Now we can add our beloved custom widget. We'll make it expanded and put infinite in width and height. So this custom widget is paginated, amazing. And at the end, it shows a component as a save button. I already created this save button component. And what it does is that it gets a list of FlutterFlow uploaded file bytes. And when the user presses this button, we dismiss the bottom sheet and we return the uploaded file bytes list. So back to our custom gallery picker. Over here, we select our custom widget and save button field. We click on it and in the fields, we pass the media files from our widget builder. So it's a bit of passing and passing and passing, but it works perfectly. And finally, I need to add a dismiss action to our icon button. All right, back to our main feed. Here we already have our story system set up so the user can upload their story and others can view it just like Instagram with the same UI. By the way, you can clone this project by just joining our Patreon community where we publish these project clone links and also put out extra content, polls, and you become an amazing supporter where we feature you at the end of all videos. Back to the tutorial. Over here, I disabled some of the old logic and added this show bottom sheet where we show our custom gallery picker. As you can see, there is something wrong. We don't have any way to define our variable name because FlutterFlow doesn't know this bottom sheet returns a value. Because we have this weird functionality where we pass the image file bytes from a builder to a component, then the component passes it to the page, and FlutterFlow wasn't ready for this. So we need a way to help FlutterFlow figure out what we are doing on this bottom sheet. The trick is very simple. We just open the custom gallery picker again and create a new local component state variable. I just name it dummy state. It's gonna be a list of uploaded file bytes. Click confirm. Now, when I'm closing the bottom sheet with the icon button, I just pass this local state variable. This way, FlutterFlow knows we are returning a list of uploaded file bytes at some point. Now, if we go back to our main feed page, we can see we have an action output variable name, and I named it picked images. And with this conditional action, I check if we have any picked images. Next, we just upload it and do the rest of the logic. As I said before, this package is super powerful and we can customize it to hell. With that said, let's test out the app. Okay, I'm going to create a local run of my project and I'm using Genymotion as my Android emulator because it's usually a lot faster than the default Android emulator with Android Studio. Okay, we have our app running. To do a test, I'm just gonna select a random image and click save. We're gonna wait for it to upload. Now I can see my latest story over here. You can see my other tests from 2 hours ago. So yeah, thank you for watching the video to the end. I hope I see you all in the next videos and see you in the Patreon community.